Hi everyone, it's me again. So we're going to continue with Unit 5, Week 5, and now we're on Day 2. Okay, so this time we're going to count the sounds in a word. So I'm going to say a word and then we're going to count the sounds. Now remember, generally we put them on our fingers, so I'll do it with you. The word is coin. K, oi, 3 sounds. Okay, let's do some more. Oil, oi, 2 sounds. Noise, oi, 3 sounds. Join, oi, 3 sounds. Point, oi, 4 sounds. Spoil, oi, 4 sounds. Voice, oi, 3 sounds. Joy, oi, 2 sounds. Broil, oi, 4 sounds. Okay, let's keep going. Now remember, we've been practicing oy. Oy says oi. So 3, 2, 1, joy. Here's our other oi sound. 3, 2, 1, oil. 3, 2, 1, boy. 3, 2, 1, boil. 3, 2, 1, point. 3, 2, 1, joyful. Now remember, full means full of, so full of joy. 3, 2, 1, moist. 3, 2, 1, soil. 3, 2, 1, oink. 3, 2, 1, broil. We're moving on. Okay, so remember, oi says oi, as in boil. So here's oi, boil. And oy says oi, as in toy. Okay, let's continue. So we're going to make these sounds. Sound, blend, joy. Keep your voice on, joy. What's the word? Join. Sound, blend, voice. What's the word? Voice. Sound, blend, point. What's the word? Point. Sound, blend, boy. The word is boy. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put this down for just a minute so you can see these words. Let's do this together again. Oi, blend, boil. The word's boil. Oil, foil, oink, oink. Oi, joy. Oi, so toy. Oil, oil. Soy, oil, spoil. Broil, broil. Remember to keep your voice on as we're blending. Okay, here we go again. Moist, moist. That means it's kind of wet, but not like soaking wet. Enjoy. What's the word? Enjoy. Blend. Ow. What is it? Cow. Oh, it's a compound word. Cowboy. Cowboy. Cow, boy, cowboy. Okay, now this time you're gonna say the word, then I'm gonna have you change the sound. Okay, this is 3, 2, 1, foil. Change the f to s. Soil. Change the s to spoil. Get rid of the sp. Oil. Add a B to the front. So you're going to put a B right here. Boil. Remove the L. So get rid of the L. Boy. Change the B to T. Toy. Change the T to Roy. Now remember, Roy is a name because it's a capital. Okay, here we're going to practice some of these words and then quickly move on. Okay, here we go. Voice. Voice. See if you can do it in your head. 3, 2, 1. Point. 3, 2, 1, toy. 3, 2, 1, oink. 3, 2, 1, foil. Okay, let's read this sentence. That toy makes a lot of noise. Now remember, there's no exclamation mark, so it's just noise. But if we had an exclamation mark, it would be noise. Okay, let's look at our book today. So remember, Roy is a name. So it says Roy and Mr. Boy. Okay, here are some words you're going to see. Was, lived, there, one, said, of, really, again. Okay, so I'm going to try to point out the oys, because that's what we're focusing on, and we'll read it together. Okay, so Roy, automatically we have O-Y. Roy was a pig. He lived on a big farm. He enjoyed eating a lot. He enjoyed rolling in the mud even more. There was one thing Roy did not enjoy. So let's see what he doesn't like. That was Mr. Boy, the cat. Mr. Boy howled and howled. That annoyed Roy. He doesn't like it. Oh, Roy. And spoiled his day. That means like it ruined his day. Mr. Boy annoys us all, said Miss Joy, the cow. Troy, the dog, said, he makes too much noise. We need to teach him a lesson. Roy called a meeting of the animals. You can help me with my plan, said Roy. We will join forces to teach Mr. Boy to make good choices. In the morning, Floyd, the rooster, woke the animals. Mr. Boy was still asleep. All the animals started howling. Mr. Boy was annoyed, so he doesn't like it. Mr. Boy yelled, "Stop the noise!" Oh, sorry guys. There's an OI there. I get the point. So meaning he understands he needs to quit howling all the time. And he really did. Mr. Boy never annoyed Mr. Roy again. Now we had a lot of oys and a lot of oys. Okay, let's continue. Now this is a little bit trickier, so we'll talk about this. Okay, this is called a final stable syllable. Okay, so we're gonna say the sounds. Not the sounds, the syllables. So table. Let's do it. Table. Okay, we're gonna break it right here. Table. Now, do you see this this part right here? Do you see the LE? If the LE is followed by a consonant, it is called a stable final stable syllable. It's kind of a long word. Okay, let's do simple. Simple. Now the first thing we're going to do is cut it. Simple. Do you see an LE? Sure do. Do you see a consonant right there? Yep. So it would be a final stable syllable. Okay, let's keep up. Oh, there, they did it for you. So there it is again. There it is again. Okay, let's do some more. Candle. Okay, we're going to break it. Can and dull. Do you see the LE? I sure do. And there's a consonant. It is a final stable syllable. Apple. Apple. So we're going to break it right here. Do you see the LE? Yep. There's the consonant. So it's a final stable syllable. Okay, next one. Title. Title. Right there. It's kind of tricky. Do you see the LE? I do too. There's a consonant. It's a final stable syllable. Puddle. Puddle. Break it apart. Do you see the LE? I do. There's a consonant. It's a final stable syllable. Marble. Marble. Break it apart. Do you see the LE? See the consonant? It's a final stable syllable. Okay, and there they did it for us. You'll notice L-E, 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 with a consonant as well. Okay, we're not going to do that. High frequency words are above. How does rain fall from the sky above? Build. He knew how to build a town out of blocks. Fall. How does rain fall from the sky above? New. Now remember, we don't look at the K. This says ew, so it's new. Now this is not new. It's not like I have a new toy. It's like new, I knew, like I understood in the past. He knew how to build a town out of blocks. Money. How much money does it cost? Toward. The dog ran toward the yard. Okay, so remember, a preposition connects one part of a sentence to another part. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. So, the preposition above connects the words the light is and the porch. So let's read this. The light is above the porch. So where is it? It's above. Above is connecting the light is and the porch. And it's telling us where. It's above. Okay. Okay, so this time we're gonna, let me move that down a little. We are going to use, complete each sentence below with one of these prepositions. Is it for, in, or on? Snow is for the ground. Would we say that? Snow is in the ground. Does snow go inside the ground? Snow is on the ground. That's right. On is our word. Okay. I put your mittens blank in your coat pocket. Okay, here we go. I put your mittens for in your coat pocket. For in, that doesn't make sense at all. I put your mittens in your coat pocket. I put your mittens on in, oh, so they did it wrong. Sorry guys, it's supposed to be in. They forgot to hide it. So it would be, I put your mittens in your coat pocket. We wouldn't say for your coat or on your coat, because if we're putting it in the pocket, you're putting it inside. Okay, here's our last one. So remember, our prepositions today are for, in, or on. Okay, there is a prize blank building the best snowman. We're going to go backwards this time. There is a prize on building the best snowman. There is a prize in building the best snowman. There is a prize for building the best snowman. If you said for, you are correct. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for doing this with me.